Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to lock and unlock sliding windows. These will be easy instructions along with step-by-step instructions and also a full tutorial all at the same time, so let's get right into this awesome video. That was a pretty good description of what this video will be. So essentially, locking and unlocking your sliding windows is really easy to do. The first thing that you want to do is locate the sliding window lock. Now there might be more than one. This is a rather small sliding window, so there's only one of them. But if it's a taller or bigger sliding window, you're going to probably have a second one, like one towards the top and one towards the bottom. So figure out how many locks there are, how many locking mechanisms there are. Okay, now basically to lock and unlock it, you're going to flip them up or down. So just up or down. One way is going to be locked and one way, the other way is going to be unlocked. Most of the time, downward is going to be locked. And the way you test it is by, seeing if in that position, if you can open it. So I can try and open the window and it's not opening. Therefore, that is the locked position, okay? You can go and look at the mechanism and how it works when you open the window. You can take a look at it. It's pretty cool, but it's very simple. You can even look at it and know if it's locked or unlocked once you've opened it up because you can see how it works, okay? But like I said, if it's in one direction and you can't open it, then guess what? It's locked. And most of the time, that's going to be downward for locked, okay? Then to unlock it, you just flip it up or the opposite direction, and to make sure it is unlocked, you can just open up the window and you can see that it is indeed unlocked, okay? Now the one thing I will say, I'm just going to close it and lock it. So I'm going to close it and I'm going to lock it again like that, okay? The one thing I will say is that if only one of the locking mechanisms is in the locked position, it's still not going to open for the most part. So meaning if you have two locks and you're like, wait, this one's unlocked, why isn't it opening? Well, guess what? The other one might be locked. And if only the other one is locked, if you have multiple, if only one is locked, then guess what? The window still is unlikely to be able to be opened, okay? So you probably still won't be able to open it. So if you're having trouble opening it, then make sure all of the locking mechanisms are unlocked. Also, if you're having trouble opening it, make sure there's nothing stuck over here. I put pieces of wood in the windows that we don't use often. Like this is a basement laundry room window, so I put pieces of wood in the windows that we rarely open, just for safety and security. So make sure there's nothing sort of caught over there, essentially, that's preventing it from being opened. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't put pieces of wood in all of them, just really the ones that we don't use often, like basically the basement windows, the main floor windows, and the upstairs windows. Because we use them so often, I don't really put any pieces of wood. But we have lots of security measures, but I don't put anything like this. But this one right here, you can see it says laundry. This is what I put in here, okay? And this essentially is like a security measure, just for safety and security. But if I couldn't open it and it was unlocked, well, guess what? I wouldn't be able to see that. So make sure you look in there if you can't open it. But yeah, that's basically it. And like I said, I'm going over my words because I'm talking about the safety and security of my house, but I have so much safety and security that it's ridiculous in terms of alarm systems, cameras, lights, wood, everything is locked. It's just, it's crazy. Anyways, but yeah, like I said, this is a window, this is a video about locking and unlocking your sliding windows. It has nothing to do with the wood. I went on too much of a rant about it. But anyways, with that being said, essentially, locked, unlocked, okay? Very simple. And as you can see, I locked it again. Make sure you lock your windows. But yeah, if you're having trouble opening it and it's unlocked, make sure both mechanisms, if there's multiple, are indeed unlocked. And yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and relatively straight to the point. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.